Hey, this is Scott Lara, president of militariaffairs.com. Building 12 here at the Family Selection Costa Mujeres. And I am so excited about Family Selection. If you remember my video from Vallarta, Palladium Vallarta, here is one of the rooms here at Costa Mujeres Family Selection. Now, the one thing I tell you, there's not one thing, there's a lot of things. Because I know as parents, everyone, you're thinking, what do I need to bring? What do I need to bring? How big is your suitcase and everything? But look what's provided for you here. There's Colgate Kids toothpaste. There's these items here, the shampoos. And can you imagine when your kids or grandkids walk right in and boom, now they're gonna see this octopus here for the bath. And of course, these are the items here for the parents. You know, you've seen these. And of course, the little ducks. The kids love the ducks. All right. And of course, you know about all the space here. And then if you got a little baby, they have a crib available, so you can have that crib. And the couch pulls out as a bed. So if you got a couple of kids, your 6-year-old and 4-year-old, they can sleep there. There's the bed for the adults. And of course, you have the beverages for the adults here, and you have the beverages for the kids here. And every night they're provided cookies, kind of like Sweet Dreams, which is kind of a cool thing there. Now, the thing I talked about at Palladium Vallarta was the branding of Family Boss. Now look at this. See, when the kids come in, and I'll tell you something, they don't have this on cruises or anywhere else that I know of. I mean, not to this level of when a child walks into their vacation, look at this. The sunglasses, the shirts, the Family Boss hat, the little power bank right there for their phones, the little pails so they can take them out there on the beach, the beach bag, and of course the water bottles, right? Kids got to have their water bottles. And at this room, this is like a garden view room, which is, first floor. But there are lots of different room types in Family Selection. Just email me, call me. I'd be happy to give you all the details. But I'll tell you something, if you're a parent with kids, if you're a grandparent, Family Boss, Family Selection, Palladium. And the good news is this, and it's a secret, don't tell anybody else. The Family Selection is currently at Palladium Vallarta. So Family Selection is here at Costa Mujeres. And it is coming to Quintana at Riviera Maya. That's right. Family Selection is coming to Quintana the end of December of 2023. And I urge you, do not wait to book those rooms. They're going to be going quick. They're going to have a lot of different rooms there that people can take advantage of. The economical rooms, the more luxurious rooms, they're going to have a great time there. Steps from the beach, just like it is here. For more information about Family Selection, email me, Scott at militariaffairs.com. Scott Lara, president, militariaffairs.com at Family Selection here at Costa Mujeres.